Hello and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, April 7th. Let's see what we have to do for today. It is a Wednesday, that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. There are 2 activities for today. The first one is to choose your topic. So yesterday we talked about the 3 topics about racial inequality, and you're going to pick one topic and write why you chose that topic in the comment section. Okay, what your topic is and why you chose it. Here is a little bit of extra explanation about each topic. Your second activity is book. You'll do page 46A and all of 47. Take a picture and upload in the comment section. And that's it for today. There are some activities with student services. So we'll go to the announcements section, and there will be student government, and there's also free immigration consultation, but you need to email registration SG, student services SG at carlosrosario.org, or you can email me and then I will forward you the email so you can get a free consultation. There's also immigration briefing, so you will get some information in Remind about the Zoom session. And that's it for today. Good luck.